Boom. There you go.
Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a jet dryer blow air duster. Now if you're tired of buying those stupid compressed air cans, which I am tired of it, and it's expensive and it's getting ridiculous, I went on Amazon and I found something like this. I did purchase this myself. This was not sent to me by the company. Just to be clear and transparent, I was looking for an option, and this had the most reviews, of course, but I really wanted to see how good it really is. So we'll do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you how it comes. The specs say the blowing RPMs is roughly 30,000 RPMs with 300 G of wind pressure and roughly approximately 120 miles an hour of wind speed. That's what it kind of says. It's got 3 different speeds. It's got a variable speed adjustment, a 10,000 milliamp battery, and USB-C charging. All right, so let's get into the actual item itself. Open this up. Instruction manual and a basic manual on how to use it. So it comes with the, like I said, a user manual and just like a card just to get the information to just easy to read. It gives you all the information about the different buttons and levers and things like that. So it does come with a little travel bag pouch that you can put everything in here, which is nice. It does come with some little brushes and some cleaning tools. Which I like that. And these are actually really nice quality, decent. There's 3 nozzles that are available. Let's see what else is in here. And they have 3 different nozzles. So these are the ones I'd be interested in the most using is these nozzles here. You can see the only pet peeve I have so far, they push on, they don't lock in, they don't screw in. So I'm not sure over time they're going to loosen up and fall off. I don't really know. And this is like a duster, so I get into like corners and it blows air sideways. This blows air forward. Almost reminds me of the D vacuum, you know what I'm talking about, that kind of funnel. And then this is like a brush, or it comes off too. I didn't realize this came off. Another blower, and then also a brush on top of that. So you can do some cleaning like that, get some of that dust off and blow it out, or you can use it like this. Well, that's cool. So all these little adapters come in here. USB-A to USB-C charge. I think it's a 5-volt charge system. It's not a fast. There's different ones online. This was a good price. So I think for the price point, if you buy 10 cans of air, it'll basically pay for this. As a stop paying for compressed air, and also when you're running out of air when you need it, which is quite annoying. That is like the most annoying thing. So stay tuned. I'm going to go down to the shop in a minute, the workbench, and just going to test this out on the workbench and just see how it performs. It comes with a little protective cover here, and I did read online that people said that it can go off easily if you're traveling because the button there's no safety latch to it. But just take a look at it together. This is what it looks like. It's fairly small and compact. It has a turbine design, almost like a turbine for like a turbine engine. That's the idea behind the airflow. That's why you get so much compression out of this, or so much power out of this. Also, the air flows through it. Also, the bottom is vented. Some of the air does come down and cool off the battery because the battery gets really hot. And they say at full power it only runs very short time, maybe 10 minutes or so. So easy to set up, easy to configure. So just tap it once and you can see here it's already on, right? I'll hold it down, it shuts it off. So what this does here, it goes into the variable mode. Okay, so that's the variable mode. So if I twist my finger, you can hear that. You can shut that down. So you get variable mode, and then you have 3 speeds. Okay, so let's do this 3 speeds. Do this speed 1, speed 3. Now that speed 3 is freaking wicked. It is fast, very, very, very fast. Again, not too heavy. Let's just get some quick measurements for you so you know how big this is. This is approximately 6.5 inches long and 3.5 inch wider than the widest area. Like I said, the only thing I have my pet peeve is that these don't really snap on; they just kind of glide on. So hopefully these won't be an issue over time. That's just my concern. But other than that, it feels pretty decent, pretty solid too. I mean, it's got a good solid design. This is the USB-C right here. This is where you charge the item right here. Let me show you that. Here is the button right here. Here is the LED lights. The LED lights configuration, white lights full connect. In other words, the light status with a fully charged, all the 4 lights would be lit. And then flashing white lights means low battery, must charge. And then white light blinking slowly, charging state. So that's what that means. So those are 3 different things. So when you plug it in, it'll charge, it'll blink slowly, and like that. Let me just plug in a quick USB-C plug here. Let's take a quick look at that. Plug that in, and you can see it's okay. So it's charging up. It's not fully charged. It thought it was fully charged when I received it. It's not. So I'm going to give this a full charge before we go ahead and do a full test on this. I'm going to take it down to the workbench, like I said. So I'm going to give this a charge, see how long it takes. I'll give you some feedback on that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. I do all types of content, from how-to, technical, to reviews, just to give you some idea about things and how they work, and just my overall experience about items that I purchased or are given to me, either way. And I try to just give you the information. This is not serviceable, just so you know, so it is what it is. I mean, if you take it apart, you will destroy it. Unfortunately, that's a bad part. And also, it does say online that the batteries are renewed. So basically, they probably reclaimed, resurfaced, whatever they do to them to renew them, maybe add more chemicals or rebuild them, whatever it is, that's what's in here. So not brand new batteries. So that's a kind of concern on my part, just to let you know. So I'm not sure about that. So I'm not sure if they're all like that, or just because of this, maybe they're just trying to save the environment, which is good as long as the batteries are renewed in perfect condition. So I'm okay with that, honestly. So let's going to give this a charge, and then we'll do a full test on the workbench. So.
Okay, guys, so I'm on the workbench here. So I have the two items here. I didn't fully charge it up, but it's probably 3/4 full. It's fine. So if this is this what you're using all the time? It is expensive, and it's annoying when it runs out and you got to keep buying more and more and more. So that's the reason why I bought this item here. I figured, why keep buying compressed air when I can just recharge and reuse this all the time? It's good for the environment, good for the pocketbook, and overall functionality. So let's just do a quick test. Just want to show you on the shop bench here, just to get an idea. So just use this box, for instance. I'm going to try to blow this box. So it does blow. All right, let's get something. I want to get something a little heavier. Let's see here. That's a little radio. I don't care if that falls. I've been working on that. It doesn't really work. So I'm trying to blow that over. I can't really blow it over. All right, it's pretty heavy. Let's just see if this does it. This here, let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, boom. That's no competition. It blew that right over. Wow. So this is a huge difference, guys. This thing is pretty powerful. I mean, this thing is cranking, like I said, 30,000 RPMs. It's blowing almost 120 miles an hour. Here's the bag of the items in here. Let's see, it's a little dusty on here. Blow that off. That's okay. Let's try this one. Wow. No competition. I mean, so I think this is worth it. I mean, long testing will be done. Is it going to last? I don't know. Does it work like it says it does? So overall, I think it's a good value. I'm going to definitely recommend it. I mean, has a lot of reviews. Everybody can't be wrong. It's certainly better than doing this. This is just annoying and very, very expensive. I mean, let's just try to blow the box this way. Let's just see if we can even move the box. You can move the box. I mean, it's just got some good power to it, but not as powerful as this. It just doesn't have it. I mean, it's just like regular air. I mean, it's like, it's probably maybe 20 miles an hour. I mean, really not a lot of power, honestly. It's just not. Let's move this sideways. Now that's really hard to do, right? Move that sideways. Okay, it doesn't move. Let's try it with this thing here. Let's see. It's the last test. Let's see. Put it on high. Well, 1, 2, 3. High. Boom. Well, there you go. The proof's in the pudding, guys. And again, a little bit of air comes down here to cool off the batteries. Really hasn't been getting that hot. When you use these things, it's just a quick burst here and there. I wouldn't go blow your leaves with this. Not a leaf blower. It's not a blow dryer. It's really designed really just to clean dust and off and debris and things like that. Like I have a lot of dust here. So I want to clean all this off. And you can see, that's what you want to do. You want to clean your area. You want to clean stuff off, get the dust off everything. And the dust is flying. So it definitely does work. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with that. Let's see, here's dusty in here. Clean that off in there. Oh, speaker. That's dusty. These are dusty. The thing is crank. All right, guys. So I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5. I think it works good. We'll do a longer test. We'll give it about 6 months. Check back with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There'll be a link down below in the description. I do get a small commission. It's an affiliate link. It does help support my channel. I do appreciate that. It costs you nothing. It just helps support me. And also there'll be a link over here as well for the product. It is on Amazon. That's why I bought it. I got it the next day. They have a great deal going on right now, so go ahead and purchase this now. I think this is probably the best one. I saw someone take it apart. It's got 3 good-sized batteries in here. So hopefully it'll work. Hopefully it'll last. I think my only pet peeve, like I said, that this didn't screw on, but I don't think it's going to be an issue. It's pretty tight, pretty works well, and for an air dryer, a jet. I mean, it has like a jet engine. I mean, come on, hello. I mean, that is awesome. And then if you want to use it on the variable, you hold it down. Okay, you get the lights blinking, like I said, and now you got variable control. So you can go slow. So you say you got something sensitive, you want to do something. Say you want to dry your nails. Your wife wants to dry her nails. Here you go, it's a great nail dryer. I don't know. Then hold it down again, then shut it off, and that's what I have. Okay, guys, appreciate it as always. I think this is a great value. I think you can't go wrong, and I appreciate your time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also share the video. It really does help me quite a bit, and that means a lot to me. And I hope I brought you some value, and that's what these reviews are for, just to help you make a decision. And this is getting a little warm, just to let you know. I'm not sure how hot this gets. I haven't heard anybody about. There's a thermal overload switch in here as well, so if it does get hot and overloads, it probably will shut down. So there's nothing to worry about that. USB charging here. Switch here, and great. Instead of having this, I have this, and I think this is a much better option than this. So this is what I have. I think that is a great deal. Head-to-head competition, which one would you buy? Leave some comments down below. Let me know which one you would buy. Would you continue with the compressed air, or would you go with this option here? I think this is a better option than this, because this just runs out of stuff and it's all over. You guys let me know. Leave some comments down below what you think is a better option. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching.